The where used list can be a helpful report to run if you want to know where an item is used. This list is a comprehensive list that will show every parent item that an end item is used on, regardless of the demand. Where used lists are often used when quoting costs as well as when an engineer makes a change to a bill of materials. As you can see in the photo showing material where used in SAP, the list will show the required quantity that is needed. This can be very useful when looking to make adjustments on allocations or analyzing a change in the system. You may be wondering, what is the difference between a pegging report and a where used list? The main difference between the two, other than their visual layout, is what the where used report provides: a full list of parent items, including those with demand associated to them. Pegging reports, on the other hand, only show parents that currently have demand associated with the parent item. And that's it, a where used list. Now let's challenge our minds with a question that you can answer in the community. True or false? Both a where used list and a pegging report show us requirements based on demand. We look forward to your responses, and we'll see you in the next module.